again with another freaking video. What's up, guys? I miss you guys so much, and I know you guys miss me as well. Not David, just Jody, okay? So today, guys, I'm doing an unboxing video on this Hellofresh box right here. I started working at Hellofresh, and I love the food, guys. Seeing these food at work every day makes me want to just eat it, but you can't do that, okay? All right, I love me some fresh food, okay? So in HelloFresh, I work in the department of automation, which we put the food in the box and we're gonna send it to another department where they put the label on it and all of that. So I do automation. You have kitten. Kitten is where you put the fresh foods in a bag and then you seal it. It comes through automation. It goes through assembly, then automation, then labeling, stuff like that. So I like automation. It's a very, very, very easy department. If my coworkers are watching or my manager is watching, thank you for subscribing and becoming a part of the DJ family. Yes, so I'm gonna open this box. So let's go. So guys, I'm opening the box now. So it comes with Hello Delicious Deals right here. Comes with this. So let's see what's inside. So it seems like I got me an offer. So it says open for special offers. HelloFresh, Hello Perks. Okay, so let me open it. Oh wow. So I got Harry's. Ooh, this is for David. I got me an exclusive offer. Redeem your trial set at da-da. So we got this. Harry's should an 8-pack of blades really cost $32? We don't think so. So it seems like I'm going to get me a discount on this right here. So this is like for David. So, and also I got me seriously fun science and art projects. So let's open it. Oh, it's not open. So this is it. Monthly delivery of science and art project for kids of all age. So look at this right here. Okay. And I got me a gift card. So let me take it out slowly. So hold on. I don't want to show the password and the code. So let me hide it with my hand. So guys, I got me a $100 wine voucher. Okay. So how to spend your $100 wine voucher? Visit the website, register, put your code and your unique password. Get $100 off any case of wine priced at $160 or more. Delivery included. Your money back if you are not totally tantalized. Okay, so I got me a $100 wine gift card. Wow, thank you so much, HelloFresh. Wow, my job is doing really good to their customer. Oh, and I pay $22 every month, and it comes to my house every Thursday. $22 every Thursday. I work at HelloFresh, so I get a $75 discount. Okay, so this is the recipe card. So this is what I'm gonna make. This is it. Okay, and this is orange chicken salad. Oh, this looks really nice. Take a closer look, guys. OMG, look at this. It gives you the ingredients. The ingredients, they're in the box, okay? I'm just gonna prepare it. All the ingredients, everything is in the box. I have me here some warm buttered shrimp roll. Ooh la la. I know David and I gonna love this. Look at this. Okay, and it says I have another one here, more boxes, more reward. So the more I buy, the more rewards I get. So I think I started off with 2 boxes and now I'm at 3 boxes. So they put more package of food in there. So now on this package right here, it tells you what other side item they have at HelloFresh, what they offer. You could get your Vig Organic Immunity Booster Shots. So this is it right here. And also you could get some cheesecake. My husband loved the cheesecake. This is not the first box we have got. We have got 2 more boxes. And here we have some pork sausage spaghetti bolognese. Look at it, guys. Ooh la la. Jeez. So this is all the recipe card. All of it. We have like 4 recipe cards. Okay. So now put it right here so you guys could see exactly what is inside. All right. So let me open it up. And there it is. This is how it's packaged. You guys could see. Okay. Hope you guys are seeing exactly what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. So each recipe card that I have right here, the separate food is in this bag right here. So all of the items, the ingredients to make the food, the ingredients is in the bag. Okay. So this one is right here. Says this one is pork sausage spaghetti bolognese. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it up. I want to show you guys what is inside. Okay. So you have the spaghetti. This is a spaghetti. Put it right here as well. You have the squash. This is all the ingredients. I'm just giving you guys a rundown on all of that. You have the marinara, if I'm pronouncing it correct. It's like a broth, tomato broth. Oh, the pasta sauce, my bad. Pasta sauce. You have your Parmesan cheese. Can't wait to eat that. You have your spice right here. And they sent me a little garlic, I should say. So, and it's finished. So that's the ingredients they put in the bag. So I'm putting back all this because this is a separate ingredients, a separate meal. So I'm just putting back everything in the bag because I don't want to mix up the ingredients. And I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. It's gonna fall. I don't want it to fall. So I'm just gonna put it like that. Now we have our orange chicken salad. Open it as well. Okay. Oh, so now we have our veggie right here. Let me see what it's called. Our chicken salad. Let's see the chicken salad. It's right here, guys. So we have our mixed green. So this is the mixed green. We have a mixed green. We have our apple. And stored in the fridge, guys. Stored in the fridge. It's all fresh food, as you can see. We have our sweet potato. Ooh. Also, we have our Dijon honey mustard. There it is. We have our sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning. And also, we have our pecan pieces right here. So this is to make our chicken salad. Separate ingredients, all fresh food. Okay. Put this right here along the side as well. Gonna open this one. Warm buttered shrimp roll. Let's open it. Oh, and this one looks a lot inside. This is how basically inside looks. There it is. That's the inside of the bag. This is what we do in kitchen. I started off in kitchen, but I moved to automation. So here we have our bread. We have another bread here. We have 2 bread. We have scallion. We have potatoes. We have paprika right here, or paprika to go in it, season it up, giving it that flavor taste. We have our garlic powder. Ooh, I'm gonna love this because this looks flavorful already. We have our mayo. Yes, no, sour cream, sorry. We have our coleslaw. And we have a lemon. All fresh food, guys. If you're a busy student at school or busy worker, you can make a lot, you know, this, you prepare this meal. Let me tell you how much minute you take to prepare this meal. So it says it is for 2 person and it takes you about 35 minutes to be prepared. See, 35 minutes to be prepared. This is what I'm showing you guys right here. I'm gonna make the video on it and show you guys how I prepare it. You have your celery salt. And this is mayonnaise. It's labeled, so everything is on it. So, and you just follow the ingredients. And we have like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have around 6 potatoes, 6 Irish potato to make our buttered shrimp roll. So I'm putting back everything back in the bag. Okay. And then put this aside. There it is. Oh, now let me show you guys a little, hold on. So in the box we have some cinnamon roll. Love me some cinnamon roll, guys. Oh, I need to put this back in our thing right there. My husband's favorite cheesecake. So this is what I ordered on the side, like a little treat. You could do that. You could, this is what I do as well. Ordered this cinnamon roll, the cheesecake, and I bought 2. So it's 1 for me and 1 for my husband. You know, he likes to eat whatever I'm eating, but I'm not sharing, so I make sure I bought 2 because it's really, really good. Cheesecake, it is really good. And then here in the bottom, it says, don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. So guys, we put ice in the bottom of the box because, you know, to keep the food fresh and nice, you have to put ice in the bottom, okay? So we have our shrimp right here, and this box could fit in the bottom of my cooler, in my refrigerator. So we have the shrimp right here. Not gonna open the shrimp as yet. So I'm gonna put the shrimp right here. We have our sweet Italian pork sausage right here. Not gonna put it on my table. We have my chicken cutlet as well to make my my butter chicken sandwich roll. And we have our ice pack. It says recycle me, clean and dry. It's non-toxic, and you recycle it, so you're gonna drain what is inside and then you're gonna recycle it, okay? So this fits at the bottom. This is what we do in automation. We put the ice in the box just like so. First, when you put in assembly, you put the ice, then you put the meat because you don't want the meat to be spoiled, and then the dry ingredients you put on top. So the ice, the meat, then the bag. Then you make sure you put this because you don't want, if the ice bag is popped, you don't want the food to be broken up or wet and smushy. So you put this on top. Then you put your food. There it is. All of that. All of that. That. You could put this on top as well if you wish. And then boom, put that in. And that's it. This is the unboxing of my HelloFresh kit box. It's really a good deal. Also, my family and friends get 35% off discount, while because I work at Hellofresh, I get a $75 discount. So, and I gave 3 of my friends a free box because each time I purchase, because I purchase every week, it's like a subscription. So every Thursday it would charge my card, and then, you know, I would get the food. It comes to my house every day, like in the afternoon. So my husband is home, so he's the one who, you know, get it at the door, you know, so that it doesn't stay outside in the hot. So the mayo, I think I'm gonna put the mayo back in the bag. See, I messed up which bag the mayo should go in, but I'll find out, because we have a recipe card. And that's the good thing about it. If you have a missing ingredients, your ingredient sheet will tell you and stuff like that. So the mayo goes in the Parmesan salad. Let me see. Let me make sure it's correct. The mayonnaise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, the mayo goes in the warm butter shrimp roll. So it's right here, the warm butter shrimp roll. I'm put it back in. Fold up all the bags back. Put it there. We're gonna fold all the bags up. Put it back in. And the box could hold as much, you know, recipe. Look. And there it is again, guys. Look at that. I'm working right now. I'm at work. I restocked the box. And this goes back on top. Let me show you guys. Look at that. This goes back on top. Close the box. Close the box. And there it is. Okay? So that's all in my HelloFresh box. It is a good deal. You can't beat that. You cannot beat this deal, guys. You get 100%, $100 off of your wine. I know a lot of my subscribers, they drink a lot of wine. I drink my wine as well if I'm cleaning, or, you know, I'm in a mood. It all depends on my mood. I drink me a little wine and stuff like that. You can't beat that. If you can't really cook that well, I encourage you to purchase you some food from HelloFresh and prepare your food easy. 1, 2, 3. You have the ingredients, you have the instructions, you have each and everything right here. Okay, so you can't beat that deal. And you also get a discount on your first box. So yeah, I know my friends are going in on those free boxes that I, you know, signed them up for. They just gave me their email and create a website and they get free box. So yeah. So next time I'm going to order me some immunity shots, because me and my husband, we are going on vacation soon. So yes, okay? So if you want any side order, this right here tells you what else you could order from the side. So it says, check out this week's chef curated meal edition. So they have something here. It says ground beef. It says garlic bread, salted caramel, cheesecake. We didn't have that salted one. We took the regular cheesecake, and crunchy sesame salad. Okay, so it gives you another idea of what you could buy as well. Okay, guys, and that's all for today. Alrighty, guys, so that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you purchase your box from HelloFresh, because the recipe, it is good. I ate it before, I prepared it. I do school right now and I do 10 hours at HelloFresh. So, you know, that's a busy schedule and I don't have time to cook as before. So this is why I even purchased me my dinner for me and my husband, David. You know, he's a foodie, so I gotta prepare his dinner as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. The smell of this food is fresh. Can't wait to prepare me some for today, because I'm off today. And David is bothering me about the spaghetti. He's mixed Italian, Dominican, and you know they love some spaghetti and all of that. So I'm gonna prepare me some for me and my husband, David. And yeah, so please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that red button, guys, and become a part of the DJ family. Please do not forget to hit that like button. Give your girl a thumbs up on this video. Comment below, interact with me, because I interact with each and everyone who comment under my video. So yes, as you can see, I'm a friendly person, okay? Just want to communicate with my DJ family. Please wear your mask and be safe out there, because I don't want none of my DJ family to be, under the weather, okay? So have a blessed week, have a blessed day, have fun, be safe, stay prayed up. Please do not forget to pray, and pray for your girl Jody as well, and David. And yeah, I will catch you in another video. I see you guys soon. Bye guys.